Then I thought, do you know what? Stick a butterfly and go with the flow. When you don't know what to do, stick a butterfly. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday, and I hope you guys all had a wonderful weekend. Today we're going to play with my crazy cards digital kit, and I will show you the kit in just a second. And we're going to play with some acrylic paints. This is the technique we actually, my very old painting teacher taught us at college. Is a technique in Italian, we call it the butterfly technique. Maybe in other countries call it in a different way, but I'm sure you all have seen it. Right, before we start playing and get messy, it's my favorite type of crafting. I'll show you the kit first. Okay, so Crazy Cards Kit is at page 13 of the catalogue. So this kit includes 9 pages of circle playing cards. The code is CC001 and the price is £1.85. So with that you get 9 pages, and let me tell you, each card measures just over 3 inches diameters, which in centimeters is literally almost 8 centimeters. So why they're crazy? They're crazy because they're round. But we can do what we want with them. So you got all the cards. So you got the hearts, all different suits of the cards, and then you have a page, which is my favorite, a page with all the kings and 2 jokers. Okay, so we can do anything we want. Okay, so what I've done, I simply cut some of the cards that we're going to use today. I only put 6, and what you guys need is some plastic little piece of sheet. Now you just need to make sure that the size of the plastic has got to be bigger than your card. Okay, so for this project, what I have used, I use one of these plastic wallets. Excuse me, do you know the one with the holes to put the things inside? Yeah, I'm sure it's called file. Excuse me. Right, so the butterfly technique, I'm sure you guys have all seen it. Might be colored in a different way. So what you need to do, you need to, fold the plastic sheet in half. Okay. And then you see the line there. I don't know what you're going to see because it's transparent, but that's the line. So we're going to position some of, in fact, yeah, that's better, some of the paint really randomly. Okay, as random as you want them to be. And I'm going to do one with you guys, and I'll do the rest off camera. I want it quite dramatic, so I'm going to put some black. And we're going to put what goes well with blue. I'm all about contrast, you guys know that. Can't decide. Come on, Antonio, can't decide. I'm going to go for this. I think I'm definitely going to go for this. I do like blue and purple. There. Just gonna do that. Okay, no more. You don't have to put loads of paints. Okay, why is it called butterfly? Now what you do, you put the other sheet on top of it and you just press it, and as you press it with your finger, you move the paint. Okay, so you need to move it. You can either, I always use the finger, but you can use the bone folder, but you can use what you want. But it's got to be totally random. And why is it called butterfly? Because once you open it, you got a butterfly. So you got a symmetrical mirrored image of what you created. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to put that on top of our card, and I'm going to position it so you can still see the card. Okay, and it's up to you. You don't have to be as detailed. I mean, this is the first print, as you can see, which is covering the card a lot, but let me just show you. If you do your second print, okay, and that's what you got left. So let me put this in there. So that's the first, that's the second generation print. That is the first print. Okay, so it all depends what sort of effect will you like. If you want something that is more defined like this one, if you've got something a bit more settled like this one. So I'm going to use this as a base, and then I'm going to do part 2, and I'll show you what else is we're gonna do with it. But for now, I'm just going to do a couple of prints first and be right back. This is yellow and green, and it's a shame because on live it looks better than they look on camera. This is blue, gray and white. This is red, maroon, burgundy and black. I just wanted a hint of color. Okay, that's the two that we've done together. I do like the one on my right, this one here. I'm just conscious that I don't really know what we're going to be able to see on phase 2, but I'm gonna do it, so at least you guys are getting a true picture. And then last but not least is this one. Basically, what is it? I want to do more like a rainbow. It'd be nice if it's white. Let me move them all so you can see. This is my rainbow butterflies. In fact, June is Pride month. So yeah, please, if you can, support all the LGBTQ plus community around the globe. And of course, I am part of the community with being gay. Please show some support to your local community, because every money that each charity raise is for supporting this community with, you know, there's so many different problems that affect this individual. So yeah, any little penny helps. So yes, I wanted to do one like very colorful, very like rainbow. Here's a beautiful rainbow butterfly. I'm going to keep this. I might do something else, another project another time, and that is the card. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to wash my hands first. I'm going to let it dry completely. I'm going to cut them. I'm hoping I'll be able to see the shape. Yeah, I can still see the shape of the card. I'm going to cut them, and then I will be right back. Okay, once they're totally dry, I've got here a selection of stencils. I got all different brands, some from magazines. I love the stars ones. And then I also got two the Stampin' Up laser cut paper, I think they're called. This is my ultimate favorite. Now, I supposed to, when I did remember to do it, to go on top with a layer of Mod Podge just to make it stronger. In fact, I'm not going to use it, and I'm going to do that later on when I finish editing this video. So I'm just going to play, let me put somewhere safe. I'm just going to play with this. I've got here my spongy fingers tip. Oh, brilliant. Okay, so who should we do first? Let's do that. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, in fact, the power of YouTube. So what we're gonna do, if I can get this stencil out of the way. Yeah, because they're round, I'm going to, gonna do something like that. So you know I've got a dodgy table well, it's not really dodgy, but it's the clip that my camera is attached to. It's clipped to the table, so every time I do something, it makes a really annoying metallic sound, which I know you guys told me as well, so unfortunately I can't do anything about it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to play with it. Literally, this is the Memento Nautical Blue, and I'm going to simply using, yeah, I bet that sounded very, very metallic. Yeah, I'm just going to sponge it, okay? Okay, the moment of truth. Let's lift it together. Ta-da! So, you can still see the colour on the background, but you can also see my leaves now. And unfortunately, on camera, they look black, but and I don't know how to change that. But in real life, they are a gorgeous indigo, like a proper nice navy blue. And here, when the brown, where the grey is, can you see it? Oh yeah, you can see it better if I do that. If I put it closer, it shine because of the paint. Sorry if I make you feel dizzy. How cute is that? Okay, so going to do the same with the others. I'm going to use different inks. I don't really know what's going to happen with those two, but I suppose we should find out in just a second. Okay, let me show you one by one. So start with this on the corner. So there is a butterfly there, using one of my stencil, some stamp, some lettering, some texture. I mean, if you like mixed media projects, you can have so much fun using this technique. So I'm just playing leaves. Then this one is probably one of my favorite. You've got some flowers. Can you see the flowers on the background? Yes, you can. Then we've got the Joker with the stars. And then those two was a bit of a dilemma. I have tried to put black ink, didn't work. White ink didn't work. Jelly pen didn't work. Then I thought, do you know what? Stick a butterfly and go with the flow. When you don't know what to do, stick a butterfly. It worked, I think. I mean, he's a sassy, both of them are sassy kings. You know, he's a king that has got a body of a butterfly. But I do like the rainbow colours in here. You can still see, definitely you can see through the card. In fact, that's not a king. This is a king. This is a jack. Apologies, mister. So is a sassy jack. It's called Jack. I'm sure it is. That's how we say in Italian. Jack, queen and king. Oh well, I'll make it up if it's not. That is the king. I just realised now because I just saw the J on the card. Yeah, so yeah, anyway. Right, guys, that is it. Yeah, lovely hands. Just to recap, you can buy the freebie. It's on page 13, we said. Page 13 on the catalogue. This, you can download the catalogue from our website. It's on the bottom of the homepage. Code CC001 is called Crazy Cards. Okay, guys, that is it for today. I hope you like this super fun project. I love this butterfly technique. Let me know how you call this technique in your own country. It's interesting how different languages call separate things in a different way. So fascinates me. Right, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And until next time, stay safe and well.